Welcome everyone. My name is Bill Reed and I'm going to show you how to code a command line tool using Python 3 that can be used for red team exercises or penetration tests or other types of testing. The tool can run on your own system for educational purposes, but if authorized and you're at work, you can run the tool quietly on someone else's system as part of a test. There's various ways you might be able to run the tool remotely on a computer, depending on the credentials that you have already pwned during that test. And of course, it depends on the configuration of the network, the firewall, and those sorts of things. We will configure the tool to save the output to either the local disk, a UNC path, or a share that uses a drive letter. My thinking here was that if the targeted user can access a share, and that's the same share that I can access, that's perfect for collecting the data. That's typically what you'll have in a work setting. As well, I'll show you how to convert our Python code into an executable, and we'll package up all the dependencies, everything that goes with our package into that executable file. Then we'll run that executable file on the target system, and everything will extract and run. The bytecode, the Python interpreter, it's going to run perfectly on that targeted system. And normally in strict environments, Python is not installed on computers. So this is critical, this piece of it. What will the tool do exactly? You're probably wondering. Well, there are three main things that this tool will do. Number one, it will collect the keystrokes. As the user types, each keystroke will be appended to a file, either on a share or the local disk. And that's just going to run continuously until we stop the program somehow, or the user logs out, or their machine crashes, or something like that. Number two, it will collect screenshots. The screenshots will be collected on a regular basis, but there'll be a delay that we set in between each screenshot, because you don't want to just be collecting screenshots nonstop. There has to be some sort of delay there, and I'll show you that in the code. Then number three, lastly, we'll collect the clipboard data. Oftentimes there's very sensitive information in clipboard data. It's not just keystrokes. Sometimes they're copying and pasting. So we'll see that data, and it'll work the same way these screenshots do. We'll collect it every so often with a delay in between. So those are the three big ticket items that this tool will do. In the next couple of videos, I'll be going over some installs. But after that, we will start coding this tool up. So I'll see you then.